The first time I used cover-up was when I was actually in 5th grade. My face gets really red, and when I was in 4th grade, people used to actually call me strawberry face, and that's when I started covering up to make myself feel better and to not have kids tease me.
The first time I've ever used cover-up, I actually had surgery above my top lip. It created the skin to be very pink. My mom would take me like makeup shopping, and then we would find like a nice cover-up for me.
The first time I used cover-up, I had to be about maybe 18. I've always worn glasses, so I always wanted to enhance my eyes, so I played with my eyes, but not too much with my skin.
The first time that I used cover-up was in high school. I actually had the aim of trying to cover up my freckles that I have. It took a lot of people to say that they think my freckles are beautiful. Hearing it from my friends was really meaningful for me and helped me to build the confidence in having the freckles that I have.
I'm approaching 40, so I'll be 40 pretty soon. And every day I look in the mirror and I see things and they weren't there the day before or so. And I don't know why we feel the need to fix things when it comes to our skin, when it comes to our face. It's an ongoing battle.
It wasn't until I started really looking in the mirror and doing certain habits and certain things in my life that empowered me as a human being, that made me look at makeup as something that I can use to also empower myself.
Today I can literally walk outside without an ounce of makeup on my face, and I'm completely okay with it. How I feel about myself, my love for myself, has no dependence on anybody else.
My skin is unapologetically Phoebe. She's a little rough around the edges, but she glows from within.
Makeup is here for us to just bring out things we love the most about our face and just have fun. For crying out loud, it's just makeup, it's color.
I cover up because it enhances my features, not because I lack self-love.
I cover up because it's none of your business, not because I'm imperfect.
I cover up because you can't tell me I can't, not because I'm not beautiful.
I cover up because it's fun. I don't cover up because I feel like I have to.
I cover up because sometimes skin doesn't want to cooperate, not because I don't feel beautiful.